So guys, I'm going to take you through a whole bunch of behind the scenes things and some best practices that will help you record better videos. First thing I'm going to do is show you my setup. So the first thing we want to look at is a camera. Now you can use your webcam on your computer. If you have a Mac, it's a pretty good camera. Most new PCs or laptops also have a good camera. I invested in this Logitech. It was about 250 bucks, but it gives amazing video quality. Next thing we want to look at is this bad boy right here. This is called a ring light. So what it does is it evenly puts light or shines light on your face so that there are no shadows. If you notice in this video right here, I've got no shadows whatsoever on my face. Now I can turn it on. Of course, it gets bright, and then I can actually manipulate the brightness. I can also manipulate the tone. So I can click here and have different tones of light. So you can choose one that works for you. But this bad boy right here makes total sense. Now they have them that come on different tripods. In this one, it's a little tripod so that I can bring it anywhere with me. There are also stand-up table tripods. I also have a big ring light that stands on the ground. Notice it's kind of a makeshift setup with a box right now, but I will actually have a riser for that. The other thing that I have that I've invested in is a good microphone. So this is called the Yeti Blue Microphone. It's about 120 bucks. I also bought a stand. Not expecting you guys to do this, but the importance of a microphone cannot be highlighted enough. The audio is so important to your video. People, if they hear tinny noise, if they hear background, if they don't hear clear sound, they will not watch your video. So you want to think about a different kind of microphone if you can, if you're going to be making a lot of videos. And notice this bad boy plugs in right on my computer. Last consideration for you, you might want to consider a travel mic. So there are lavalier mics or lav mics, L-A-V. There's also this boom mic. So I bought this on Amazon. This is Shure. And it's actually a boom mic that comes with that foam that you would see on a boom microphone. And it has a lightning connector so it can plug right in to your phone, right on the bottom of your iPhone. So this is specifically for iPhones. I will tell you, I have recorded right in front of I-95 with traffic behind me. And this baby made sure that it captured the sound only from me, and you couldn't hear any background noise whatsoever. So definitely worth the investment. Okay, so you've seen my setup. You see the magic behind the camera. Here are a few things that you don't want to do when recording your videos. Number one, don't fidget with the camera. When you start moving it and stuff, notice how it messes up my quality, especially when I go in front of the sensor. And now everything's blurry, but more so, it just looks unprofessional. You're getting people, you can actually make people nauseous by doing this. So do a trial run and then record your final video. Number two, be cognizant of your background. So I'm taking up most of the camera right now on purpose because if I go like this, all of a sudden you see the boxes that we haven't unpacked because we moved into our house. You know, that happens. And then on this side, I put some crap behind me, literally, so that you could see that. And I didn't clean off the whiteboard. So there's Squidward from SpongeBob and some other stuff that my kids drew. If you're going to be making a video, be very cognizant of the visuals behind you, because if I was standing like this and I'm talking to you and this is my stance, you're focusing on the chair over there. You're focusing on this tripod I have. You're focusing on that board. You're not listening to me. So you want to record a video and then look and pinpoint what's going on behind you and try to fix that. The last tip before we get into today's session, we start talking more about strategy and tactics. This is a two-parter. Number one, be confident with yourself and be confident in what you're saying. Right now, you wouldn't be watching this video if I was talking to you like this and said, oh, this is for a camera. You wouldn't be watching that, right? People watch my videos because I'm just exuding confidence. I'm not arrogant, but I know what I'm talking about. I'm a thought leader when it comes to marketing, digital marketing, building websites, email marketing, local SEO, Google, video, YouTube, so on and so forth. If I know that stuff and I know it well enough, then it should come out that way. So that's number one. Number two, try not to read from a script. If you watch the videos that we make, you know, we're not reading from scripts. I'm not sitting here and not looking at the camera. People know the difference between when I'm reading something and I'm looking right in the camera. You can see my eyes making contact. When people look right into the camera, they're making a connection. So you've got to get used to looking into the pinhole of the camera. Practice that. Keep doing it. Keep making videos. It's awkward at first and you want to look around. You want to look over here because it's just weird. But get used to it, because when you're looking straight into that camera, I'm looking right at you. and people are going to hear my message, retain it, absorb it, and ultimately act on it.